have different topics which are highest common factor, area of a triangle, and the angles in quadrilateral. So for today's lesson, we have objectives to attain, to find the highest common factor, to find the area of a triangle, and to find unknown angles of a quadrilateral using its properties. So as a recap, we're going to have the highest common factor of HCF. For example, find the HCF of 12 and 16. So we're going to use continued division. So we have 12 and 16. We're going to think a number that we can divide into 12 and 16. So we can divide it by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And 16 divided by 2 is 8. Now we're going to think a number that can be divided into 6 and 8. So we can divide them by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now, is there any number can be divided into 3 and 4 except 1? If don't have, we're going to take the numbers on the left side and then multiply. So 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Now 4 is the highest common factor of 12 and 16. Okay, discovery. What is the formula of the area of a triangle? You still can remember the formula? Okay, using this activity, we're going to find out what is the area of a triangle. So we have a rectangle and we have area which is 12 units. As you can see, we have length which is 4 units and the breadth is 3 units. So where did we get this 12? Is that by counting the squares here? We just multiplied the length and the breadth. So 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So as you can see, in this rectangle, if we're going to divide diagonally, we can create 2 triangles. So 1, 2, 2 triangles. So it means, in order for us to find the area of a triangle, the area of rectangle we just divided into 2. So the area is length times breadth, just divide by 2. That's the area of a triangle. So length times breadth is 4 times 3 divided by 2. 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So 6 units is the area of the triangle. KWL. What is a quadrilateral? Your answers are the examples of quadrilateral. So quadrilaterals are 4-sided figures. For example, square and rectangle. What can you say about their angles? All 4 angles are right angles. Another example, parallelogram and rhombus. What can you say about angles? Opposite angles are equal, and each pair of angles between the 2 parallel sides adds up to 180 degrees. One more example is trapezium. What can you say about the angles? Each pair of angles between the 2 parallel sides adds up to 180 degrees. The last example is the kite. As you can see, the kite, only one pair of opposite angles is equal. So, these quadrilaterals, their properties, we're going to use to find out the unknown angle. So we're going to find angle STU and angle SVU in the kite STUV. We're going to find these 2 angles. So as you can see, these angles are the same. So angle STU is equal to angle SVU. And in quadrilateral, all the angles, the sum of the angles is equal to 360 degrees. So the sum of STU and SVU is equal to 360 minus 105 minus 35 degrees is equal to 220 degrees. So this 2 angle means 220 degrees. In order for us to have the angle STU, we're going to divide by 2. So we have 110 degrees. Same as the angle SVU is equal to 110 degrees. To sum up our topic, To get the highest common factor, use the continued division. The area of a triangle is length times breadth divided by 2. The total angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees.